Alright guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth grill. Top teeth, 8 on the top. Now you got the diamond dust in the middle there. This is a two-tone, gold plated over 925 sterling silver. Here's the back side. Snaps right onto the teeth. And what you see in the middle is diamond dust finish, which is a style of finish that makes it look like it is covered in diamond dust. Okay, but it's a beautiful grill. It's not actually diamonds in there, but it is the name of the finish. Beautiful top teeth grill, custom fitted. Check us out at blingcartel.com. Check the link in the description. It'll take you right to the page for this product. There it is, guys. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.